Hello. Today I'm going to black a blooming onion. I'm going to take this onion, turn it into a flour. I'm going to put, first for my preparation, I'm going to do some seasoning. And then add 2 eggs for the dip. Eggs are good because these eggs are expensive in the store. So I'm going to beat 2 eggs into some joga. Clean all the boba. I have some casimir. They're plain seasoning without MSG. I have some breadcrumbs for the dip. This I'll show you. And of course, I'm eating some plain old olive oil. And as old fashioned as I be, I'm dropping this in the oil as soon as this don't burn. I'm going to put my onion in it. So I'm beating this egg. So do is mix the oil with the olive oil and the coconut oil. You give it a different flavor by using the 2 different oils. Okay. Then the elephant in the room is this onion. Take like 2 weeks now. Just get a chance to do it. So this blooming onion is just a flour. You turn in this onion into a flour. And then to Jamaicans, I've never seen so much onions in my life. I planted so much onions and then there was no market for it. But I bought this onion here at Shoppers Time. So I'm going to wipe my onion because going into oil. I'm not going to wash it. Why would I wash them? I'm too clean and going into oil. I'm just doing something. So here goes onion. This does have a big knife. So as I said, I'm turning this onion into a flour. So that's one side. I usually cut it like in 16. So right there, onion is cut into 4. And I'm going to cut again all the 4s. So you see. I was born to be natural. My mom was the first person I see do this. And I said the first person in her who does it. The first person I see do this. Because she always likes to show us fancy stuff. Remember that lady showed me how to do the custard and the ashes. I take my bright self. They asked me to do a custard and I did a quick one, like a Bill Cosby one. And the old when she come from church, asked me for a custard and I give her the cold custard. Baba laughed so much. He said, this is the shortened one. I wanted the one that you bake. God bless her soul. So as I said, I'm putting my twist to it. I'm giving my onion more petals. This is how you do the petals. You form the petals by cutting and see. Now I got my onion like that. They said, I'm going to put more oil and I then turn it down. watching the garlic to get brown. No rush. So now I'm going to dip my onion into the egg wash for the first time. And get it into the egg wash. Get my spoon. It's not my kitchen, I'm at work, so dip it in the egg wash. Twice and give it a shake. All this forces my onion is going through. All is eating up. Let me turn it down. See, now I'm going to take it back out and dip it in the egg again. I'm not going to use 10 eggs. I use 2 eggs. 2 eggs, 2 eggs, 2 eggs. Only 2 eggs. It can be done like that with 2 eggs. Now I'm going to use 10 eggs and it's so expensive. I can make. So, when it's time to do that breadcrumbs shake, and then you want the peppers to go all open up. It's time for my onion to my second shake. Now I usually like do certain things for our husband. So now the salmon is going down in the oil at medium temperature so that thing can be really cooked. And this thing that helps. So I'm going to check this thing now. And then it's frying away in the oil. It's frying away, There goes my blooming onion. Onion. So I'm going to turn it over because I don't want this black to get too much. Not totally covered, but it's almost what I want it to be. There goes my blooming onion. It's opening up into a petal.